Okay, good morning everyone. So this is Teacher William and I'm going to show you how to draw. The first thing that you need is to prepare the materials. The materials that I have as of now are the following: colored pencil, pencil, eraser, and pen. So we will just open my paper, which is the most or the crucial part in an artwork because we have to use a paper. Now, before doing our artwork, we must make sure that our area is clean and we have all our materials. Now, next, we need to use the pencil to make a shape. So what can we use as a shape? So since we are starting, we can use any object around us to trace. Now, tracing is another thing for drawing. So since we're all beginners, we can use this one. I think you know this one. This one came from an alcohol container. So I just got it from here. Now this one is what shape? What shape is this? This is a circle. Now this circle, we will try to make circles by tracing it around. So using the pencil, I will trace it around here. Then another one here. I'll be making 4 circles. Now, as you can see, yeah, there you go. Four circles. 4 circles. Now, okay, how many circles do we have? Let's count. How many, Carl? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in coloring them, the basic rule is never go beyond the line. You must have control in coloring. So let's try first number 1. So as you can see, you can hold the pencil like this or where you're comfortable with. But for me, I'll be using this kind of position, the tripod position. So I will color it from this line. See the line here? We're going to color it. Now, I am slowly coloring it from end going in using a curved line and going in, okay, until I fill the whole circle. Okay. As you can see, from in line, then going on, then here again. Yeah, you can do this so that it will be easy for you. You can do this. Okay, yeah, there you go. This is just one of the method. See, the easy one. Also, you can do this, which is making lines. 1, 2. See, it doesn't go beyond the line, but as you can see, I'm trying to move my paper, and the lines that I'm using are changing. They are intertwining from each other. So slowly I'm creating a color. Now as you can see inside, there's a space in between. So I'll just fill it up using a circle like that. That would be one. Also, you can use this one. So you can use squiggly lines. Using squiggly lines, you go here and out, in 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 and out. Now in and out, 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 in and out. Yeah, there you go. In and out, in and out. So, okay. Ta-da! Next, let's go to this one. This one, to make it more sophisticated or artistic, like I first tried. Now we will try to use the curved lines. But this time, it will be very different. Because on one side, it is dark, and on the other side, it is light. As you can see, it's dark here on this side. Then slowly it's getting lighter and lighter from here. So on this part, as you can see, I was able to color it, but it looks very different from the others, right? Now, what can you say? So we have our first, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 coloring styles, but most of the time we can use just 1, but we use sometimes 4 or 6 depending on the artwork that we use. But then again, we are starting, so we can just practice on this one. Okay, thank you for listening and watching me work on my sample illustration. Thank you, and since you are good students and you are listening to me, I will show you my artwork. So here it is. My artwork is this one. Dun, 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 dun. I hope you like this because I did this a long time ago. Well, like 4 or 5 years ago. I just found it. So this was a quick made that I designed or draw for one of my students. So if you're good enough, I can also make one for you. And if you're listening to teacher, I can teach you the higher level of making artwork. So don't worry, you can do it. Thank you. Bye. Reminders. So once you're done with your artwork, don't forget to keep your color pencil, your pencil, and your eraser, and the objects that you use to make art. Remember, once you're done creating, you have to help your parents and putting them back to where they belong. So you have a clean learning area. Understood? Okay, be good kids. Bye.